Now the ninth question, and this they say a square lawn. So there is one lawn which is square in shape. A square lawn is surrounded by a path that is 2.5 meters wide. So this path is 2.5 meters wide. If the area of the path, so they have given you the area of this. In the earlier all the questions you were asked to find the area of this, but they have this time they have given you the area of the path that is 165 meters square, and their question is find the area of the lawn. Find the area of the lawn. This lawn, we have to find its area. Now you can see no dimensions are given, either of the inner square or the outer square. They have given you only the area of the path and the width of the path. So from this only we will try to find out the first we will try to find out the side of the square, because in order to find the area of the lawn will be side into side because it is square in shape and I don't know the side. So it means first of all I will find out the side of this square. Since no sides are given, so I will say let the side of this square lawn, which is EF, be x. If this is x, it means all the sides will be x. So I will try to find out the area of the lawn now. So I will say let the side EF be x. Now all the sides will be x. So what is the area of lawn in terms of x? It will be side into side, means x into x, or you can say x square. So this is the area of the lawn in terms of x. Now I have to find out the area of outside square, which is ABCD. That also will be side into side. Now what will be the side AB equal to, because I don't know the side AB also. Now look at this, if EF is x, now it means this much distance will be x plus 2.5 on this side, because this is 2 points, so 2.5 on this side and 2.5 on this side. So what will be the total length of AB? X plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So x plus 2.5 plus 2.5, and if you will add 2.5 it will be 5.0, or you can say x plus 5. So this is the side of side AB. So how do we now what will be the area of ABCD? It is side into side, means x plus 5, which is one side, into x plus 5. Now how do we multiply them? Because I have to multiply to get the area. Now look at this. What we do is we take x from this and multiply it with x plus 5. Now I take plus 5 of this or 5 of this and multiply it with x plus 5. Again I take x from this and multiply it with x plus 5. then I take 5 of this and multiply again with x plus 5. तो मैंने इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, दोनों के साथ. Now look at this, x is outside and x plus 5 I have to multiply with x. So x multiplied by x becomes x square, and x multiplied by 5 will become 5x. 5 multiplied by x is 5x. Now again 5x multiplied by x will be 5x, and 5 multiplied by 5 will be 5 is 25, because this whole I have to multiply by x. So x multiplied by x, x square, and 5 multiplied by x will be 5x. Now this x plus 5 again I have to multiply by 5. So 5 multiplied by x will be 5x, and 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25. 5 5s are 25. Now this 5x and 5x, you can see these are like terms because they have variable x. So 5 plus 5 will become 10. 5 plus 5, 10x. So what will be the area now? X square plus 10x plus 25. So this is the area of the figure ABCD, right? And this is the area of the lawn. So both are in terms of x. Now what I will do is, now what is the area of the path? So area, now area of the path is equal to, how do we find the area of the path? Area of ABCD, the outer square, minus the area of EFGH. This is how do we get the area of the path. So area of the path already they have given you, that is 165. What is the area of ABCD? I have taken as x square, plus this is the area of the ABCD, x square plus 10x plus 25, and this is the area of the EFGH. So x square plus 10x plus 25. This is the area of ABCD minus the area of EFGH is x square. Now as this becomes the equation, I have to solve it. Now here you can see x square and x square. This is minus x square and this is x square. Both are opposites. So when we have opposites, one positive x square and one negative x square, so I can cancel them. So I am left with 10x plus 25. Now 10x I'll keep this side and 25 I will send that side, and it will become minus. So now x I will send to that side. Here it is multiplied, that side it will become divide. So 0 0 gets cancelled and I get the value of x as 14. X का value आ गया 14. Now what I had kept as x in the beginning, I had kept the side of the square as x. Do you remember? So I said let the side EF be x. So this EF I had taken out as x. So this x comes to be 14. So this also will be 14. This also will be 14 and this also will be 14. And the question was what is the area of the lawn? So I have taken out the side of the lawn. So I can take out the area side into side. So now I know the side of the square, that is 14. So side of square lawn is 14 meters. Now I can find the area of square lawn, that will be side into side, means 14 into 14 means 196 meter square. Now I come to the 11th question. In this they say a rectangular lawn 70 meter by 50 meter has two roads, each 5 meter wide, running through its middle, one parallel to its length. There is one lawn which is 70 by 50 meter. इसके अंदर two roads हैं. There are two roads passing through the middle, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its width. Okay, so these are two roads in the middle of it, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its width, and each road is 5 meters wide. So this road and this road both are how many meters wide? 5 meters wide. And they are asking you find the cost of constructing the roads at rupees 120 per meter square. So they are asking you how much it will cost to construct these roads, and the rate is 120 per meter square. So it means I have to find out the area of this road and I have to find out the area of this road. So ABCD, let me name this road as ABCD, and this road I can name as EFGH. Now area of the road you can say area of road ABCD will be what? Length into breadth. So this much is the road, which is 5 meter. Okay, so this is the length of the road, which is 5 meter, or the breadth of the road, and this is the other part of the road length, so that is equal to 50 meters. So this road is 5 meters by 50 meters. So the area of the road ABCD will be 5 meters into 50 meters, which is 250 meters square. Now what about the road? Now the area of road EFGH. Now look at this road EFGH. Again this is one side of the road which is equal to 5 meters, and this is the other side of the road which is equal to 70 meters. So 5 into 70, length into breadth of the road. So 70 into 5 will be 750 meters square. Now look at this very carefully. Now when I took out the area of this road, okay, and when I took out the area of this road, now you can see that this area has been taken twice. While calculating this, the area of this road also, I have calculated this much part, and while taking out the area of this road also, I have calculated this much part. So this area is common to both of the roads, and I have taken it twice. While taking out the area of this road also, and while taking out the area of this road also, I have taken out the area of this much part twice. So what I will do is I can name this little part as MNOP. So, and I know that this is 5 meters because the width is 5 meters, this is 5 meters, and here also it is 5 meters. So ये जो common area है, this is 5 by 5 meters. So while taking out the total area of the two roads, what I will do is 250 plus 350, which is the area of these two roads. From that I will subtract once the area of this part M and OP, and that will be 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 meters square. So 250 plus 30 is 700, oh sorry, 600, and this is 5 5s are 25. This is the area of NOP, M and OP, so 25. So 600 minus 25 will be 575 meter square. So this is the area of the two roads, 575 meters square. How did I take it out? First I took out the area of this road, length into breadth 5 by 50, and then I took out the area of this road, which is 70 by 5, and from these two areas I have subtracted this much area which I have calculated twice. So this was 5 by 5. So area of the two roads minus the area of the common part, that will give you the area of the total area of the two roads. Now I know the area of the two roads. Now they are asking you the cost. So cost of 1 meter square is given 120 rupees. So the cost of 575 meters square will be 120 multiplied by 575, and that will give you, yes, 6900 rupees. The 12th question, in this they say a 115 meter long and 64 meter broad lawn has two roads at right angles, one 2 meter wide running parallel to its length. So this is the length of the lawn, and to its parallel the road parallel to its length, that is 2 meters wide. So this road is 2 meters wide, while the other 2.5 meter wide running parallel to its breadth. So the road which is running parallel to the breadth, that is how much wide? That is 2.5 meters wide. So this road is 2.5 meter wide, which is running parallel to the breadth, and this road is 2 meters wide, which is running parallel to the length. Now they are asking you find the cost of graveling the roads. So these roads have to be gravelled at 60 rupees per meter square. So what I'll do, I'll find out the area of these two roads. Now as you know, first of all I will find out the area of the road ABCD. So I have named this road as ABCD. So length into breadth. So what is the length of this? This is 64 meters. And what is the breadth of this? This is 2.5 meters wide and 64 meters long. So 64 into 2.5. So what you will get? 1600, no, 160.0 meters square is the area of this road. Now the area of the next road, I have named it as EFGH. So what are the dimensions of this road? It is 115 meters long and 2 meters wide. So 115 into 2, 230 meters square. So what I have to do to find out the total area? Now I have to find out the area of this common area, right? So I told you that while calculating the area of this road and while calculating the this area of this road, this much area I have calculated twice, because this part is this is a part of this road also and this road also. So I will take out the area of the common part M N O P. I have labeled it. So this is 2.5 and 2 meters broad. So 2.5 into 2, that is 5 meters square. So in order to find out the total area of the two roads, how can I find the area, total area of the two roads? So area of the road ABCD 160 plus the area of the road EFGH 230, and from that I will subtract the area of the common road, because I have covered it, calculated it twice. So one time I will subtract it from the total area of these two roads. So 0 390 minus 5, so that will give you 385 meter square. So what is the total area of these roads? It is 385 meter square. So now I have to find the cost of graveling. So the cost of graveling, cost of 1 meter square is rupees 60, and the cost of 385 meters square will be what? It will be 385 multiplied by 60. 23,100 rupees. So 23,100 rupees is the total cost of graveling these roads. Now the 13th question, in this they say a rectangular field 50 meter by 40 meters. So there is one field, this is total field, which is the length of which is 50 meters, and it is the breadth is 40 meter. It has two roads through its center running parallel to its sides. The width of the longer and the shorter roads are 2 meter and 2.5 meter respectively. So the width of the longer road, so this is 50 meter, which is longer, so this is the longer road. So they are saying its width is 2 meters. Yes, its width is 2 meters, while the shorter road, this will be the shorter road because this is 40 meters, so this will be the shorter road, and this its width is, they are saying 2.5. so the longer road is this, because this is 50 meters 50 meters 50 meter ka road hai, so its width is 2 meters, and this is a shorter road because its length is 40 meters, so iska width hai 2.5 meters, and they are asking you find the area of the roads. Again, the area of the roads means I have to find out the area of ABCD and the area of the road EFGH. I have named the roads, so EFGH, and from that I have to subtract the common area MNOP. So let us take out the area of the road ABCD. Now I know area of the road is length into breadth, so how much it is wide? 2.5, and how much is its length? It is 40 meters, so 40 into 2.5, so that will be 100. So 100 meters square will be the area of this road. Now area of road EFGH, that will also will be length into breadth, so length of this is 50 meter, this is 50, this is 50, so 50 meter it is length, its length, and what is the breadth? It's 2 meters. So again the area of the second road also is 100 meters square. Now with the area of common road, or you can say MNOP. Now what is this length of M and OP? It's 2.5, so 2.5 इधर है, तो it means this also is 2.5, और इसकी width कितनी है? 2 meters. So 2.5 multiplied by 2, so that will be 5 meter square. So I have taken out the areas of all these. So what will be the total area? Total area of roads. Total area of roads will be 100 meters square plus 100 meters square, and from that I have to subtract the common area, so that is 5 meters square. So 200 minus 5 will be 195 meters square. So they have asked you to find the area of the roads. So area of the roads is 195 meters square. So now again one more question they have asked. They have asked you the area of the remaining portion of the field. तो area of the roads तो आ गया, बाकी जितना portion बचा है, what is the area of that? They are asking you area of the remaining portion after subtracting the area of roads. So area of remaining portion will be what? What will be the area of the remaining portion? Means if I have to take out the area of this total figure, this total field, I have to take out its area, means 50 into 40. What will be the area of the total field? 50 into 40, and from that I will subtract the area of the roads, and I will be left with the area of the remaining figure, right? So they are asking you what is the area of the remaining portion of the field. So from the total area of this field, I will subtract the area of the roads. I will be left with the area of the remaining portion. So it means area of the remaining portion means, first of all I have to find out the area of total field. So area of total field will be, it's 50 meters by 40 meters, means 2000 meters square. So what will be the area of the remaining portion? Area of remaining portion will be, area of remaining portion will be total area, which I have taken out as 2000 meter squares, minus the area of the two roads, that is 195 meters square. So what will be the area of of the remaining portion? It will be 1805 meters square. 1805 meters square will be 1805 meters square will be the area of the remaining portion. Now the 14th question, in this they have given you some figures and they are asking you to find the calculate the area of the shaded region. So a figure is given like this and this A part is shaded, so they are asking you to find the area of the shaded region. So what I have done is I have labeled the outer rectangle ABCD and the inner rectangle EFGH. So in order to find out the area of this, so many problems you have done like this, area of this, let us consider this as a path. So what will be the area of this path? ABCD, area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. So they have given you the dimensions of ABCD. This is 43, this is 27. So if this is 27, this is 27, 43 ये है, तो this is also 43. So area of ABCD will be what? It will be 43 multiplied by 27. So that will be 1161 meters square. Now in order to find out the area of the inner rectangle EFGH, I have to find first the length and breadth of EFGH. So length EF will be what? Now if this is 43 and this will be 43 minus 1.5, because this width is given 1.5. So 43 minus 1.5 this side and 1.5 this side. So 43 minus 1.5 one side and 1.5 other side. So 1.5 plus 1.5 will be equal to 3.0, or you can say 3. So 43 minus 3 will be 40 meters is the length EF. Now what about FG? Length FG, what will be that? So it now you know this is 27. this is 27, so FG will be 27 minus 1 this side, because this is given 1 meters and this also is given 1 meters. So here it was 1.5, so I subtracted 1.5 from 43 this side and 43 this side, but this width is 1 meters. So what I will do, so 27 minus 1 minus 1. So 27 minus 1 plus 1, or so you can say 27 minus 2 is equal to 25 meters. So I know the length and breadth of EFGH. So area of EFGH will be 40 multiplied by 25. 25 4 is hand, so 1000 meters square. So area of the outer one is 1161 meters square, area of the inner one is 1000 meters square. So how can I find out the area of the shaded region? So area of shaded region will be area of ABCD minus the area of EFGH. So 1161 meters square minus 1000 meters square, so this will give you 161 meters square. So this is the area of the shaded. The B part of the 14th question, a figure is given like this. Okay, so they are asking you to find the area of the shaded region. So do you remember the 13th question? In this, when they asked you to find out the area of the remaining portion, now this look like roads only. So this is a square 40 meter by 40 meter and this look like the roads. So and they are asking you to find out the area of this portion. So what I will do, so from the total area ABCD, I will minus the area of these two roads which is not shaded now. So it means I have to subtract the area of these roads from the total area. So I will get the area of this remaining portion. So what I will do, area of ABCD, I have labeled this as ABCD. So area of total, this is 40 into 40. So 40 into 40 will give you 1600 meters square. Now I have to find the area of this road EFGH. I have labeled this as EFGH. Now this EF is given 2 meters wide. It's 2 meters because here it's written 2 meters. So it means this is 2 meters wide. And what is the length? Because this is 40, so the length is 40. So EFGH will be 40 into 2 means 80 meters square is the area of the EFGH. Now what about this road? This is 40, so this road ka length is 40 and here it is given that it is 3 meters wide. So and I have labeled this as MNOP. So the area of the road MNOP will be 40 into 3, it means 120 meter square. And this common area, because when I took the area of this and took the area of this area I have taken twice. So what is the area of this? IJKL. I have labeled this as IJKL. So it is 2 meters from this side, because this is 2 meters this side and 3 meters this side. So it means 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 meters square. So how do we find out the area of the roads? It is area of the unshaded region. This is all unshaded region. So area of the unshaded region is 80 plus 120 and minus the common area which is 6 meters square. So 200 minus 6 will be 194 meters square. So how much is the unshaded region? Area of the unshaded region is 194 meters square and the total region is how much? 1600 meters square. So from the total area of this square I will subtract the area of the unshaded region which I have taken as 194 meters square. So 1600 minus 194 will give you 1406 meters square. So this is the area of shaded region. So from the total area ABCD of the square ABCD, I have subtracted the area of the unshaded region. So that I get 1416 meters square. 1406 meters.